Hello there. I'm running through here as a student. I'm going to click on each hyperlink from the top to the bottom in order as I'm working through assignments. So for Module 2, we're talking about problem solving. A lot of computer science has to do with computational thinking and problem solving. You will click this link, go ahead and sign up for a code.org account, and watch the video. These are the objectives for this module. I'm going to go down here and click to the first assignment. So pretty much anything you're going to do in life requires you to be some sort of a problem finder, solution creator, problem solver. Okay? And so we're looking at two specific problems for St. Mary's County. Should St. Mary's County invest in a new high school? And is the Chesapeake Bay healthy? You get to pick which one of those topics that you would like to explore more. Going to download the activity. And we see this activity sheet. So almost every career, again, requires the ability to be a problem solver. What you're doing is making a point for either we should have a new high school or is the Chesapeake Bay healthy. Now, it says source of data. Where are you getting your data from? So if you want to figure out if St. Mary's County needs a new high school, what are some things you might need to know? You might need to know how many students are in the current high schools. You might need to know how many high schools are there currently. You might need to know the maximum number of students that ideally fit into each one of those high schools. You might want to look at overcrowding in middle schools. How will those numbers look for the high schools? Okay, so I'm not asking you to actually solve these real life problems. It's thinking about where you're getting your data source. How are you collecting that data and how are you using it? So I'm going to move to, I guess I'll stick with this example. I just don't want to give you the answer. I would like you to come up with the answer. But think of some reputable sites, one in particular, that would give you data on how many students attend, what the enrollment is, and how many schools there are, and maybe even zones of schools like that, right? And then how would you use that data? How are you going to make some decisions from that data? This is not scientific lab stuff. This is generally speaking, how will you use that information? And then you'll go ahead and submit your assignment.